I'm going to try to make.
They forgot to pay me this week, folks. So.
Checks in the mail.
Appreciate that. Yeah.
Try to make for the first time. I wanted to try it before we did this, but yeah, I didn't get around to it. So this is going to be a keto-fied blue onion with a ranch-based popper dressing or dipping sauce. And
blooming onion. What a great idea.
And like I said, I'm winging this because I didn't get a chance to test it. So it's I've got Devotion Nutrition protein powder, buttery blend.
Okay.
I've got Parmesan cheese grated. I got pork rinds that I grated. I bought this once so I could get the jar, and I've been crushing them up in the blender and processor, things like that, and reusing it. So just so I could have a jar to put it on the end. Just so I could have it
cheaper.
Yeah. That's probably. This is full because I did do that today, and that's probably I think it was like nearly 3 packs of, or 2.5 maybe packs of regular size pork rinds. So, yeah.
Yum. Well, thanks.
Yep. So.
Well, it looks like Lee's chomping at the bit.
I'm using Uncle Steve Original in the batter for it. I forgot to say that. So.
Okay.
Sorry about that. All righty. So we can go
I'm going to bring up your onion.
Yeah, I went through here and I sliced it down. I think you can see I did slices down. I cut toward the middle, but I've got a little leveled off edge here where it'll sit into the air fryer. Oh yeah, I'm doing this in the air fryer. So now we're gonna take this off and we're gonna build our batter.
All right. Meanwhile, we're going to take a look at Tom. Mike, tell us about what you got going right now.
So I put in 1 scoop of the buttery blend protein powder, and I'm doing 1 scoop of pork rinds, and I'm going to do 1 scoop if I can do a scoop in this. May have to do it in the old-fashioned way. Yep, gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way.
You're making an old-fashioned?
If I can get it out of here and into the scoop.
Whoops.
Like Mike's stirring. Got your dry ingredients there. What you throwing in there, Mike? Oh, yes. The original. Nice. Original. Good choice. Good choice.
Yeah.
He looks like he's mixing it all together.
Yep. I need to add some seasoning. What am I adding?
Oh, yeah. Let me look down. It was SP&G. It was 2-1, I believe. It looks like you got SPG.
I'll tell you
Fortunately, I can't vote, or it would have been a tie.
I will go with Lucky Shake for the inside.
Okay, that's a good compromise.
Lucky Shake for the inside.
Okay. Mike's got some stirring going on while Lee's putting some Lucky Shake in.
Now what I have is I got some bacon left to wrap around when I get to that point.
Okay, now Mike, real quick. Mike, what you putting in? Okay, flax milk. Okay, thank you.
Before I get to that,
dang, looks good.
Before I get to this, I want to address my soda can.
Go back, check on Mike. He's still stirring. The mad scientist coat on. He's concocting something. Love potion number 9 right there. Let's check in on Mike. That almost looks like mustard, believe it or not.
More dip than I should have to, or batter than I should have to, but the onion's got to get good and incorporated in it. Because
Gotcha.
right now, I'm going to take it and I'm going to just dunk it in there.
Okay.
Should be a live chat.
I see it going on the screen.
This is like a child-proof container. It doesn't want to open.
We call those leak-proof containers at my house. So do you let it sit in there for a bit, Mike? Or
Well, I'm going to try and get it to go into the middle real good and all. So, but that's all I'm trying to do now is make sure it gets incorporated throughout.
okay.
I think I've got good incorporation in there. And I'm preheating my air fryer to 380. I'm
Okay.
thinking that'll do it just fine. Alrighty, so now see if I can take this out of here without having it.
It's a delicate operation.
Oh yeah,
Okay, so
you're done by an idiot. Yeah, some of them came off, but that's okay. They'll still cook.
Oh yeah.
That's all I care about is this going to taste good? Alrighty, so
All right. Awesome.
that is preheated, and now it's time to.
Well, you load that. We're gonna check. Oh, you got an egg in there too. Okay, he's gonna load that. We're gonna check in on Lee.
Exactly when.
All right, we're gonna check in on Mike. Looks like little there going there. We'll check back on. This has got something going on here.
Duke's Mayo.
There's, Duke's Mayo. I knew it had to be Duke's.
Get some Dukes in there.
It's amazing that I did some research on Duke's, okay? And Duke's last name is Hellman's.
Yeah. But it was
kidding me.
before then. Well, my missus just got home.
It said like some kind of
Don't get-
lubricants.
Yeah, don't get Popeye too excited. Go ahead. We're checking in on Mike while you. Looks like he's making something.
I'm making the dipping sauce.
Okay.
It's going to be a ranch style popper dipping sauce. A ranch base.
yeah, that's a whole lot better.
Let's see how that tastes.
Man. These are getting dry.
We have approval on the ranch sauce.
Awesome.
Page seal approval. What do you need? What else do you need? Right.
That's right. That's right. Now, I want to put in, instead of using vinegar in here, I'm going to get a little bit of the juice, the pickle juice from the.
Cindy, how you doing? Mud and carrots in.
I'm going to put in this. Yep.
Mike's cutting up pickles.
No, it's all.
Lee's Oh, jalapeno. Sorry. And Lee's just playing with his food.
This will be from mine.
In my burger with the jalapeno mix.
Let's take a look at it. Hold on. Oh, okay.
So it's got jalapenos in it. This is going to be mine. The wife's is just plain ranch.
Okay.
I need a fire extinguisher.
You're gonna share. Oh.
It didn't quite come out like I wanted, but it'll. I think that'll work. I'm gonna let it cook a little. I'm gonna separate it some.
Now I
a little longer. Let's see what we got now. Let's see if it works. All right. Cheers.
Cheers, brother.
That works. That works.
Nice. Now, is it page approved?
I got to find.
That's what matters.
I got to get some.
I saw Paul, aka Frostbite, and I thought Paul Anka. Sorry, Paul. Oh, my brother
Put
from
your
the
head
Island.
on my jalapeno.
Cooking with S and J are in the house.
Howdy, everybody. Thank you for joining.
I put it back
Well,
in
Mike?
another minute or two more
Okay.
just to
Good.
see what was happening.
Okay.
About 15
I'm here to
minutes.
tell you that tasted good. That tasted real good.
Right on.
So we're gonna find out when. It doesn't look pretty because it kind of fell apart a little bit, and I didn't get it quite coated inside there quite well enough. I needed to separate it and get it in there a little better that way, but I'm happy with it. I'm dipping it in that.
Wait, it's
Hi, Paige.
Dip as best you can.
Hi, Paige.
Hi, everybody.
That's the
Hey,
dip.
Paige.
And Lee and Tommy.
Okay.
You can double dip because that's your dipping sauce.
Oh, good.
We're
So I can double dip in.
not dealing with the FDA here, right?
You know what? Hey, it's just me and her. I don't care if she double dips anyway.
Yep.
But I'll
I
get
heard a
comments.
so
It's
I'm going to
really
take
good.
that as a seal of approval.
It's really good. It tastes really good, but it's kind of falling apart.
Yeah, I got to work on that. I got to
So-
get it inside it more.
Just to be completely honest.
No, that's what I want. But people know you're going to give them the brutal truth.
Mm,
Yeah.
Good. So good.
Thank you, Paige. Thank you.
That's all I really care about for the first time out is did it taste all right?
I'm eating some
I can
more.
work.
Mike, you over there munching?
Mm-hmm. Big time.
Mike in its natural habitat.
If we sneak up close enough to him, we'll be able to capture him in mid-chew.
Notice how he holds the eating utensil. How delicate it is in his mouth.
But yet ready to pounce upon any prey that might enter into the field.
Oh, this show's going to get shut down. I have a feeling.
Are you going to do the choo-choo train?
That's
Yep.
for that onion.
Boy, I bet that paper tastes good though. But it's got some of that residual.
I don't think I ain't thought about running my finger across it.
I would.
Matter of fact,
Atta boy.
let's get real.
Yeah, one more time. One more time. There we go. Atta boy.
This
so
one-
proud
this
of you,
one's for
Mike.
dude.
So now it's not only page approved, but it's finger licking good.
Mm-hmm.
That's right. Yes.
Right.
There. And won't wobble or nothing.
Nice. Guy knows what he's doing.
All right. So you got-
Mike, I think you take the award for the most outside the box. I think, just my
Thank you.
opinion.
Thank you.
What was your inspiration behind it?
I'd
I'd have never thought of blooming onion, by the way, in keto. Never would have been.
I love that is my favorite thing to get at Outback. Screw the steak. I love that blooming onion. And I gotta tell you, they I've always I've been toying around in my mind, how can I do it? And the other day it happened the same day we were talking about doing this. It popped in my head how I could do it.
Mhm.
Or at least I thought I could do. So
Mhm.
when y'all said let's do it, I said, by golly, let's just do this when we do it.
Why not, right?
me and Chef did one I think it was last February, I believe. And that really intrigued me to do it, but I didn't actually have the equipment, to move things around a whole bit like that. But it still was an eye opener because you know what? I did see a lot of people come in and watch it. So, I mean, if anybody out there wants to do a live cook, I would like to gear it more towards either I'm promoting, our show, the keto show. Don't have to be keto, and also Friday night with the dude. So if we can't make it on Wednesday, if we come in on Friday, That's a big to do. Like chef backyard, he said, "I'll cook." Yeah. This
I
is
don't
what
know Chef's backyard.
it's all about. You know what I'm saying?
Who is
Exactly.
Chef's backyard? I don't know Chef's backyard. I got to check him out.
Yeah, got a good show. Or he's, you
Good.
know,
I'll check
I
him
see
out.
him on the. Yeah, I see it. He comes on the lives on Fridays, and
Yeah.
I've seen him out and about. It seems like just a great guy. So
This
thank
is-
you, Chef's Backyard. Matter of fact, I'm looking for somebody to fill in for me for the next, not this week, but the next 3 weeks. So
Mhm.
on the Friday show, if you're interested, hit myself, Tom, Mike, or Lee up, and we'll
Yeah.
get you going on it.
See,
Making ice cubes. Well, it depends on what you put in the ice cube. Okay.
but
What kind of
put
ice
it-
cubes
put-
are we talking
put an
about
olive
here?
in it. Yeah, put an olive in it, and we're good to go. brother.
Yeah. Hey, freeze it. Show us how to freeze garlic. That's a garlic ice cube.
It's actually kind of a cool idea if you think about it. You know how to take your food and freeze it, right? In a form of an ice cube. I mean, I think it's actually a cool idea.
If you ever have coffee left over,
Baklava.
Like that one woman
Baklava.
that got on TV, bone in your teeth. I mean, bon appetit.
Bone in your teeth, everybody. So I it's your guys' show. I'm going to let you go. Take it where you want.
Okay, we are going to. I think we're going to call it. Everybody's beat up, got to clean up and stuff. So
Yeah.
I'm going to thank everybody for coming in. Really do appreciate it. Everybody that comes in, it's getting bigger and bigger every week. I am real happy for that. And just Mike, what do you have to say? Anything, Mike Weir?
I'm just real pleased at how well this went. I had always wanted to try live, but I wasn't scared to cook live. I was just scared I was going to mess up the technical part. That was, but it turned out, and y'all taught me a lot about how to do the technical part. All of y'all have, so that's great, and thank y'all, and I love it.
Well, we couldn't have done this, okay, without Lee. Okay,
That's
Lee
right.
brought it up. Lee was the guy who turned around and said, "Well, let's do it live." Okay,
He was right.
all right, and that's what it's all about. It's not just one person or just one thing going on all the time. It is a bunch of ideas and stuff to throw around. And you know what? It's well worth it to try it and do it. This was fantastic. It really was.
Yep. I love it. I love it.
Lee, what do you have to say, brother, before we sign off?
man, I had a blast. Thank you guys for allowing me to be in this. Thanks for everybody that showed up. And wow, I'm blessed to be here every day and to be around such good people.
Yep.
Thank you.
Okay, and also I want to say thank you to Rusty for showing up and helping Lee out.
Yes.
Really do appreciate it.
Yeah,
Really
Rusty.
Hey,
No
trust me,
problem.
Rusty.
I love it. And y'all have a great day and rock on.
That's it. Everybody stick around. I'm gonna end this. Hang on.